everyone, welcome back to Reading by Tori. And today we're gonna read Bunny and Bird How to Make a Snowman from Nick Black, and I hope you enjoy it. Hey Bird, look what I found in the forest, Rabbit says. He is waving around the carrot. But that's not what he wants Bird to guess about. It's the big black disc he's holding. What can it be? It's a giant dot. A wheel? A plate? Asks Bird. No, says Rabbit. It's a magic hole. Bird wants to know how it works, so sticks his head inside. Rabbit tells him it works like a hole. There's an inside and an outside. Rabbit tells Bear that there's a tiger inside the hole, but how does Rabbit know there's a tiger in the hole? As they sit on the swings, Rabbit begins to tell Bear how the tiger got in the hole. In the background, we see two striped paws reaching out of the hole, on the ground holding a big round snowball. As our story proceeds and duo enjoy their chat on their swing, the tiger puts the snowball on the ground behind them. Then a pair of bear's ears appear in the hole. This is the third book in the Bunny and Bird series. And one of these books is worth buying or borrowing to read. Nick Bland has such a sense of ridiculous that you can't help but smile all the way from the start to finish. They're clever and just simply funny. More, please, Mr. Bland. And we're gonna read another book called Bunny and Bird How to Be Invisible. Bunny sneaks up on Bird. Boo, he whispers. Why are you whispering? Asks Bird. I wanted to let you I'm here. And I didn't want to scare you, said Bunny. Bird looked at Bunny oddly. Why would he be scared? Bunny thinks. It's Bunny. He thinks he's invisible. As the story goes on, Bunny tries all sorts of things to test if Bird can really see him, from standing on his head to putting a ridiculous face. Bird put on the hat on his little head. Fit or laughter abound. I love Nick Bland and his silly sense of humor. His bright illustrations fills the pages from corner to corner. This is the second book in the Bunny and Bird series. If you missed the first in the series, How to Hatch a Dragon, go buy or borrow it. It's fabulous. How to Be Invisible. It has a clever ending. Had me turning back the pages to discover what I missed. It's funny and silly, with much more to share than your first release. And I hope you enjoy it. And please press the subscribe button so you won't miss any of new episodes. Bye!